happens when you stuff over 700 horsepower into a family SUV. You get the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, part muscle car, part three-row madness. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the latest cars, trucks, and bikes with no fluff. Just what you need to know. Today, we're looking at the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat, a full-size SUV that doesn't just break the rules, it shreds them. Design. The 2026 Durango Hellcat stays true to its bold, aggressive identity. You've got a wide stance, massive hood scoop, Hellcat badging, and new LED lighting that sharpens the look without losing its muscle-bound charm. It's mean, it's loud in all the right ways, and it turns heads, whether you're on the highway or in the school pickup lane. Performance. Under the hood, a supercharged 6.2-litre Hemi 5.8, pumping out 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque. Yes, it's still all-wheel drive. Yes, it still launches like a rocket. 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds, in a three-row SUV. It's pure muscle wrapped in practicality. Updated suspension and bigger brakes help it corner and stop better than it has any right to. Features and tech. Inside, the 2026 model gets a fresh 12.3-inch Uconnect system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ventilated front seats, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system. Safety tech like adaptive cruise, lane assist, and blind spot monitoring come standard, because even the wildest rides need to be smart. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat isn't just fast for an SUV, it's fast, period. It's the ultimate performance SUV for drivers who want space, style, and absurd power in one package. So, is this over-the-top Hellcat worth the hype? Let us know in the comments. And if you liked this review, hit like, share it with your crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more bold rides and honest reviews. See you next time. And remember, horsepower is a lifestyle.